Hi everyone, today I want to sharing some of the Autogate he opened by himself. Nobody touched the remote, but the gate is open. Or some is early morning you wake up, you see why the gate is already open. Last night already make sure the gate is closed. So you need to check your remote. If like this case, you need to check all your remote, even though the spare one you all bring up and see one by one. You see this type of remote, I show you this sample. Now the light is on. Even I never press it because the button, the red button I still can press. But the green button is stuck there, the rubber. Because sometimes it drop, or sometimes you press too hard, or sometimes you put inside the car is too hot, the rubber like melt. If like this case, you have to open the cover. Behind got one screw, you just open the screw, take out the cover, then you put back the rubber, reinstall the rubber. The rubber is really easy. You just got two holes there. You just put back the same location, then you just cover back the cover, back to normal. Yeah, back to normal. But some case, it's like this. Some case, the switch inside, the button, this switch, you can feel when you press the switch, you can feel it's no spring to pop up, and that one is spoiled already. Where you press, you can feel it. But that one, you cannot do anything. You have to remove the battery. You have to remove this one. You have to draw away. Cannot be used anymore. Some is not the remote. Some is the inside the wall switch, the button on the wall there. The wall switch. But seldom happen, but yeah, it's better you check as well. The button, sometimes you press too hard inside, the button still stuck in there. You press again, it will pop up. So I hope this video can help you all. Thank you. Bye bye.